What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon Deck coming at you guys with a brand new video. As you can tell by the title, it's another canyon day. Actually, I think I've only taken you guys on one. So this is my second canyon video. This is almost 8 months later. Jesus Christ, it's been a while. But today I'm going up to the canyons. We're gonna be having a good time, just me and myself, and just vibing out. Last time I checked, or when I checked up in the canyons, it said it was closed off, so hopefully it's not. We're gonna be doing some canyon runs. Just want to let you guys know, Jimmy, who I know is watching this video, Jimmy, you are not subscribed to the channel. There's still 80% of you guys that are still not subscribed to the channel. So if you're in that 80%, I need you guys to go down, hit that subscribe button, and help your boy hit 3K by the end of the year. We're like very close. I believe we're close to 2.8. We're close to 3K. I believe we can hit 3K before the year ends. I know we can do it, guys. Just you know, hit the subscribe button. That's all you gotta do. For the people that are new to the channel, I'm gonna explain what's on what I have done to the SI. It is pretty much full bolt-ons except for a front mount and a cooler. I do have the Grady DDR exhaust, which is catless, PRL Cobra intake, FKX downpipe, front pipe. I do have E85 on the car right now, which I have 70-something%. So I'm running it kind of high. I know a lot of people run E40. I'm running E70 as of right now. I do have the hybrid racing short shifter. I am tuned on power metrics. So yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun with this one. I haven't been up here yet in a very long time. I've been to the canyons, the Angeles Crest one, but I've never been to this one in a long while, so kind of don't remember what it is. I do have shitty all-season tires, so pray for me. They are new, but I mean, they're just not good quality. They're not summer tires, which I'm used to. Not gonna do a lot of talking, just gonna just kind of cruise around, have some fun. Haven't been up here, like I said, in a very long time, so hopefully it's all smooth sailing. Woo, it's been a while, guys. It's been a while, boys. I'm gonna put this down here just so you guys can have it down here. All right, boys, time to have some fun. As soon as we turn this corner, we're gonna rip it. Feeling good today. Always got to be careful for the bikers. Short shifter feels good. Haven't really got to beat on it like this. It is fully broken in. I hear a water bottle flopping over there. just like not gripping at all. just like that, a simple little canyon run. Nice and easy, simple, didn't do too much. Starting to have a lot of fun again with this car. I do kind of want something different. I know in the last video, which was also a POV video, I talked about maybe getting another car. I don't know, I'm really looking into it, but I'm starting to have a lot of fun with this one again, but at the same time I do want a different car. I want something that's just different, a different platform. I've been on this one for quite some time. I just want to kind of change it up. I don't know, maybe a Type R. That's just, you know, that's a big who knows. I don't really know yet. I'm just kind of looking into a lot of things right now, but just kind of focus on this one and focus on everything else. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope the wind wasn't too loud, because if the wind was too loud, I am not posting this video. Next video should not be a POV video. I don't want to keep bringing these out and have you guys getting tired of them. But I hope you guys do enjoy the POV videos. Hope you guys do have a lot of fun with them. We're so close to 3K. Guys, we're so close. So we can do it. I know we can do it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already. And I will see you guys in the next video. POV Dab. Peace.